Alright, so we have had 3 days of rain, and look at the growth in like a 4-day time since the last video. Watermelon, they're vining off. I actually had to move that vine because it was trying to come out of the garden. So this one here is the Charleston Gray. Look at how far those are vining off. And I had to send this one this way because it was trying to get out. So that's what's going on this side. And there are plenty of bees out here today. So let's go to the other bed. Alright, so here is the other bed. Cucumbers, those were the only ones that came up again after replanting them. Sorry, there's a biting fly out here. I'm gonna have to cut this video short. Tomatoes are starting to bloom. The rampicante squash looking good. Even the beets are coming up beside it. Let's see, strawberry plants, marigolds, morning glories. If you've never grown morning glories, they are a one and done plant. They vine, they take over, they drop seeds, and you just have to plant one. And in 2-3 years, you'll end up with a whole wall full of them. So just be careful about that. They're pretty, good for hummingbirds, I believe, but they will take over the place. So wherever you put them at, that's where they must stay. Let's see, I did not come out here and get those strawberries. Let's see. Good. There's a few out here. They actually stayed out here too long, looks like. Looks like something's been messing with them. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not bleeding. That's just strawberry juice. So alright, that is it. Asparagus looking good. I think it is 5 years old now, and I grew this from seed, starting it indoors. So I believe it's 5 years now. It takes 1.5 years before it gets any size to it. It's best that if you're gonna grow it from seed, you do it in the house and not directly in the ground, in my opinion. But yeah, it's just growing like it wants to. I try to keep it contained in one section. I prefer, it's easier for me to put it in a back corner, somewhere where I can still get in and out and don't have to worry about the ferns too much. But if they get a little bit too big, I'll just trim them, or just, come through, snatch them off. They come off really easily. So that's it. That's all that's going on right now in the garden. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.